That's hilarious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I no longer have that ugly cupboard in the background anymore. I was visiting my family in the US and I thought it would be a great idea to hook myself up with some gorgeous backdrops. So I'm very excited about that. But today's makeup video is inspired by my friend Kandykane. I watched her most recent YouTube video and I honestly fell in love with the makeup that she did for her as well as a best friend, and I thought I'd love to try it. So if you'd like to see how I created it, please carry on watching. I'm just going to walk you through the steps I followed to achieve this look. I used the Urban Defense Complexion Primer to prime my skin and to get it ready for the foundation. Then I went in with the All Nighter foundation from Urban Decay and I add 1 drop of the darkening drops that I grabbed at the Body Shop. The shades do look a little bit lighter than my skin, however it does oxidize to about 2 shades darker. I then went in with the shade Dope Taupe from the Colourpop collection to carve out my brows. I also used my Inglot concealer to carve and shape them nicely. I then concealed my face using the Colourpop collection in the No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair. I just made sure to buff everything out nicely. I also decided to use my Carly Byball palette. I went in with a shade to buff out my crease area. It's like a taupey shade. I then went in with like a light plum color to darken the crease on both eyes. After that, I went in with the darkest plum color of the palette to darken the crease area. Those same colors I applied to my waterline area. Now this was the first time I attempted doing a cut crease. I used the same concealer to do the cut crease that I used to conceal my face, the No Filter concealer from Colourpop in the shade Fair. I just made sure that I got everything nice and smoothly with the concealer on both eyes. I decided to use a shimmery pink color from the Carly Byball palette onto half the concealed area on my eye. I then went in with the darkest plum shade to do the outer corners of my eyes. I then used the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy to outline half of the cut crease, and that's nice to hide any imperfections if you have any. While the glitter is drying, I decided to add a wing liner using my Palladio gel in the color black. I then contoured my face using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. I absolutely love using it to contour my face. After contouring my face, I added some blush by MAC in the color Stay Pretty. It's this beautiful blush pink color. Then I added some highlighter, also by MAC in the shade Soft and Gentle. It just pops. I really wanted to add lashes to complete my look, so I used the Ardell Wispy Lashes and I used the Duo glue to adhere it to my eye. While I'm waiting for the lashes to dry, I went in with the Ultra Glossy Lip by Colourpop in the shade Curvy. To pop my eyes, I decided to use the Catrice highlighting pencil, and then I went in with the Flormar Triple Action Mascara to round everything off. And to complete my look, I went in with the Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray in Chill. Thank you so much for staying tuned and watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!